Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic API plugin. So in this plugin, there is a action as well as an element. You can either use any of them. So this is the demo page. So in this plugin, you will be able to perform any API operations. For any API operations, you need four things. First is the URL, where the request will be done. Then the request type, which is get, post, put, and delete. Then the headers and the body. So these are four fields given here. So if I want to do a get request, I need a URL first. This is the URL. Then I'll use the get type. So in the header part, you have to give the key value pairs. So we need authorization as the key and the value will be the token. This is just a sample API testing. So in while you are using headers, you have to put the values in this format. And for multiple key value pairs, you need to separate them by comma and again repeat the same thing. This is the header part. Then comes the body. So this is the get request. So you don't need the body. Body is also the same format as header. Key value pairs and separating them by comma for multiple key value pairs. So if I click on initialize API request, you can see a response came. This is a success response. This is a JSON format which is in text right now. So if we go to the design page, so this is the workflow where there is this action called initialize API request, where it asks for API endpoint, which is the URL that is given here. Then the request type, you have given that as the get. Then the headers, which is the key value pairs, and then the body. And the API request, if you are using the element here, this is the element called API request. You can get it from the this visual element section. So if you use that, then the element has a response property where you will get the response of the API. So this is how you use dynamic API plugin. Thank you.